It's raining, it's dark, and your car is now leaning like a drunk giraffe. Good news. You don't need a mechanic, a tow truck, or a single tier. You need about 15 minutes and the stuff already hiding in your trunk. Step 1. Do not change a tire on the side of a highway with cars flying past. Pull onto flat, solid ground, a parking lot, a driveway, somewhere boring and safe. Turn the car off, yank the parking brake, flip on your hazard lights. The hazards are the blinky triangle button. Yes, that one. You've always wondered. Now grab your tools, the spare, the jack, and the lug wrench. The lug wrench is the metal, cross-looking thing. It fits over the bolts on your wheel. Here's the trick nobody tells you. Loosen the bolts before you lift the car. Lefty-loosey. Push down hard. You might have to stand on it. That's normal. Just crack them loose. A quarter turn. Don't take them all the way off yet. Now find the jack point. It's a solid metal spot under the car, near the flat tire. Put the jack there. On the frame. Not the plastic. The plastic will make a sad crunch. Crank the jack up slowly. The car rises. You feel powerful. Enjoy it. Lift until the flat tire is just off the ground. A couple inches of daylight. Now finish unscrewing those bolts. All the way off this time. Keep the bolts somewhere safe. In your pocket. In a cup. Not in a storm drain. Pull the flat tire straight toward you. It's heavier than it looks. Bend your knees. Line up the spare with the bolt holes. Push it on. Wiggle if you have to. Screw the bolts back on by hand. Just finger tight for now. Get them started. Tighten them in a star pattern. Skip across, not around the circle. This keeps the wheel on straight. Skipping this step is how wobbles are born. Now lower the car back down with the jack. Nice and easy. With the car's weight on the tire, tighten the bolts for real. Really lean into it. Star pattern again. Tight, tight, tight. Grunt if it helps. It does. Toss the flat, the jack, and the tools back in your trunk. Congratulations. One catch. That skinny spare is a donut. It's a temporary hero, not a full-timer. Keep it under 50 miles an hour. And get a real tire soon. The donut knows its limits. And that's it. You changed a tire. In the rain. Like an absolute legend.